there yet?
No, not doctor.
Don't stress over simple things. Let me look into it.
Hey doctors, I have found something that's gonna make our jobs easier. Check this out.
First, we'll go to VS Code and type Streamlit run app.py and enter. And we are taken to a subtype classifier where we can load different gene values. It is already saved in CSV and while I predict the subtype of the patient. The same way we can do batch prediction using CSV.
We trained our model with thousands of patient records from open medical datasets. Each record has thousands of gene values that are linked to specific cancer subtypes.
Do you know what gene values are?
To get a deeper understanding of this model, we need to look into some biology terms.
Every cell has a nucleus, and inside every nucleus are chromosomes. And all chromosomes are made of DNA, molecules that contain genetic information called genes. Genes direct specific processes in the body by encoding for proteins. Gene values are not numbers. It refers to contribution of an individual's specific combination of genes to a trait.
Our project uses machine learning to predict the subtypes of breast cancer like basal line, luminal A, luminal B, HR2 enriched. We just upload a data file, for example, a CSV with values for different data genes.
It's built in Python and runs on Streamlit. So it is super easy to use and take less than 1 minute to get the output.
It's like having an extra intelligent assistant in our lab. Streamlit make it easy for the hospitals everywhere to use. They just need a browser.
It's not a replacement for medical diagnostics.
But it is a decision support tool that helps doctors to analyze diseases more effectively.
From genes to data, from data to diagnosis, AI lights the path of early detection and better lives.